How to self-check-in baggage AirAsia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to self-check-in baggage AirAsia. First of all, open the Google browser on your phone. Then search here AirAsia. After searching, click to open its site. Once you get into the AirAsia site, click on the chat with Bo icon from the bottom bar. Then click on Select from Travel block and choose the AirAsia flight option. After that, go into the add-ons block and click on Baggage. Now select the Check Baggage Policy option from the list of baggage. Read the information regarding your question. Then tap to go back to the previous menu. Now choose the Purchase Check Baggage option. Now check out its instructions or information. Hopefully, it will help you to check in baggage on AirAsia. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.